Huwag masyadong pagbintangan God and climate change. Hindi natin ginawa yung infrastructure.
Huwag isisi sa Diyos at sa climate change. Ito ang tugon ng urban planner na si Architect Felino June Palafox Jr. patungkol sa nararanasang pagbaha sa bansa. Ayon kay Architect Palafox, hindi mangyayari ito kung natapos lang ang mga flood control project.
One talaga is Parañaque Spillway. Kasi di makalabas yung tubig eh. Like 22 rivers plus Mangahan Floodway drain into Laguna Lake. I also mentioned like a toilet without a flush in Laguna Lake. It's also like a big bathtub, walang drainage, hindi makalabas.
Ayon pa sa arkitekto, magiging malaking tulong para maiwasan ang pagbaha ay ang masiguro na walang nakabara sa mga daluyan ng tubig.
So you don't have to be a planner or genius to analyze it. The other one talaga, dredge all our rivers. I think we're more than 400 rivers. I think 180 of them are dead. And even our esteros, drain them. Like Daniel Burnham plan for Manila was esteros of Manila comparable to the canals of Venice, navigable.
Dagdag pa niya, nararapat na pag-aralang mabuti ang mga gagawing flood control sa hinaharap.
Before we design, may engineering surveys, yung qualities of the soil, foundation, geoanalytics, hydrology, and so on. I don't know kung nagawa lahat yung engineering surveys before the design. So, then the design, then implementation. Dapat really comprehensive from the research before the ano.
May iwasan din anya ang problema sa proyekto kung mawawala ang korupsyon.
Yeah, because the mitigation, yung infrastructure, hindi pa nagagawa. O kung ginawa naman, even the President said, haphazard, ghost projects pa, at corruption and incompetence. Kaya I think it's worse now because it cannot address the big flooding. And corruption, mukhang hindi natakot yung mga corrupt eh. Wala nang factor of fear. Sana itong ni Presidente, sumbong kay Pangulo, sana ma-pursue yan. Let's help him. Magsumbong tayo. Kasi kung isa lang nag-whistleblower, kawawa ka sa libel cases.
Samantala, suportado rin niya ang sinabi ni San Miguel Corporation President and CEO Ramon Ang na pagtulong nito sa gobyerno para maresolba ang baha. Benedict Samson, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.